Y'all already know this is DenverTV.
And you're watching DenverTV.
And today we're gonna talk about... Are you serious? Duh, some hoe shit.
What the fuck did you just say?
No, but seriously, what we're gonna talk about is basically the smart way to save. You know, fast money. That's exactly what it is. You know, you get it just as fast as you spend it. And then you're like, well, forget it. Blow it all today. I'm going to make it back tomorrow. But what if a catastrophic event happens tomorrow and you need $5K? Your ass just made $20K last week and you broke. Do that make sense? No. This is how the hell you don't go through that. Stay tuned. Alright, so let me tell y'all. Y'all all know I'm an adult entertainer. I'm an entertainer, so which means I live off of people basically being entertained. It's a luxury business. The reason why I do so well is because of a few things. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got to think about this. Yes, again, it's fast money. It comes fast, it's spend fast. But the reason why I'm able to stay afloat are because of a few things that are very key points. And you have to stay with these things, because if you do not, then you will drown. You will make $30,000 in a month, but you won't make shit for the next motherfucking 2 weeks, and you blew it all. So here you go. This is what I do. So you need a savings plan. You get me run around here making all this money, posting it if you are or not, and buying hella shit. You know, I hate to bring up the movie like fucking Baby Boy, Guns and Butter. Yeah, you look good, but what is all that worth? If you die today, what's that gonna do? Fuck your shoes. Fuck your jewelry. Fuck all that. You got some property? Do you own something? Think about that. And it's ever so simple. I'm gonna tell you. Quick formula. However much you make, 20% of that go up. You made 1,000, put up 400. So simple. And you don't touch it. And then you just hold on to it and watch it grow. Make a daily plan on what you need to make every day. You need $20,000 in 6 months? Okay, cool. Break it down per week. You don't put 7 days. Nobody works 7 days a week. Me personally, I put in 4 days. You divide that. You need to make $20,000 in 6 months. 20,000 divided by 6 is what? Divide that by 4 and divide that by 4 days. In case you didn't know, that's 20%. That's 20,000 on $100,000 home. There's your down. Boom. And let me add to that. That could go for anything. If you make 20,000 in 6 months on $200 a day, 4 days a week, that's the bare basic minimum. As a business owner, entrepreneur, adult entertainer, it don't matter what the fuck you do. Straight like that. Subscribe to DenverTV. YouTube.com/Denver of Sin City. You better motherfucking have a plan for real.